Here we are at the Villa project in the kitchen, and if you've been following along, you'll know that this kitchen came from the White Elephant project. And if you haven't seen that, please subscribe and take a look. But what we're going to talk about today are a couple things. One, what to do with kind of like small awkward spaces in your kitchen. We have one here in this kitchen. It was created because we really wanted to open this up. And in order to get Mom all of this great counter space for her to be able to entertain with, we were left with this interesting little nook. So what we did is we put the beautiful backsplash in there and we added lighting. So that really illuminates the whole corner and makes it very functional. What can you do with it? Well, you can make it a coffee bar. You can put your air fryer back there, or if you're a juicer, that's your juicing station. So very functional little corner for you. Mom's gonna love it. And then the backsplash over here you'll see goes beautifully with the countertop, and how we selected the backsplash was based on the design style. So we wanted French country, we wanted it light and bright, and we wanted classic. So use your design style as your guide when making that selection. So we knew we wanted white, we knew we wanted classic. So we ended up with a marble and a herringbone pattern, which you can see way back in time, very classic material, goes beautifully with the countertops.